दोस्तों, so today we are starting with the practices. Explanatory question is 1. Observe the table given below, check and decide whether the individual have to pay income tax. Now some individuals key point is there. Let's see how to resolve. So first one, Miss Nikita age is 27 years, less than 60 years. Miss Nikita income is 2,34,000. And second one, Miss Nikita income is below the basic exemption limit of the 2,50,000. So she will not pay the income tax. Second one, Mr. Kulkarni age is 36 years and 60 years is less than. Mr. Kulkarni income is 3,27,000. So income is above the basic exemption limit is 2,50,000. So Mr. Kulkarni will have to pay income tax. और वन देखेंगे मिस मेहता एज इज 44 years less than 60 years and now income is 5,82,000. So income is above the basic exemption limit is 2,50,000. So she will pay the Mrs. Mehta, she will pay the basic will have to pay income tax. Mr. Bajaj is 64 years, age 60 to 80 years. Then second one, income is 8,40,000. Income is above the basic exemption limit is 3 lakh. So we'll have to pay income tax. Then Mr. De Silva age is 81 years greater than 80 years and income is rupees also 4,50,000 and below the basic exemption limit 5 lakh. So Mr. De Silva will not have to pay the income tax.